Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get an afro styling my colored natural hair. Stay tuned.
Shorty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip, and she fuck with all my bros. So
hey y'all, if you've been following me, you know that I've put the hair paint wax in my hair. I'm going to put the video up here so that you guys can also see it. But I love this wax. The only thing it does transfer, but that is okay. Again, it is a temporary hair color. If you want the real deal, you would just have to go permanently or just do a rinse. But anyways, I am putting some hair oil on my scalp, and I'm also going to put it on my hair so that way it can get a little moisturized and everything, because it does feel just a little dry, not too much. But I'm going to revamp my hair, so this is how I'm going to get my afro. So I'm going to be pulling it just to get it to shape. I did overnight wear a pineapple, so that it did get stuck together. So anyway, so after I pull it for shape, I am going to be using my handy dandy pick, and I'm just going to be picking my hair away. Every time I pick my hair, my hands and my arms do get very tired. But it does work out my muscle, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I'm just going to be picking my hair away. When I do pick my hair, I literally pick for the gods. Like, I just keep on picking until I get my desired shape and look. So I just go hard when I do an afro. As you see here, all I'm doing is just flipping my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I'm playing. But anyways, as you see my hands, it didn't really get too much on my hands, I guess, because it's a red color and my hands are pink, so I can't really see that much. But anyways, this is my afro after I picked it away, and this is the finished look. I am right now looking for any pieces that may need to be picked as well. So I'm just going to be separating a curl, and I'm just going to get my pick again. I'm going to just start picking that out as well. So that's really all to getting an afro. It's very simple. You just got to keep on working at it until you get your perfect afro desired look.
Jesus, they ain't ready for it. I'm a dangerous man with some.
The last thing I'm going to be using is my Cantu oil sheen. I love to use an oil sheen when having temporary hair color in my head, because I feel that it locks in your hair color as well. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, and God bless.
What you trying to do?